Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the Christmas song, Go Tell It on the Mountain. First I'm going to play through the whole song for you, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so be sure to stick around until the end. So let's go ahead and get started.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds camp there watching o'er silent flocks by night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountains, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. The shepherds feared and trembled when low above the earth rang out the angel chorus that hailed the Savior's birth. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Down in the lowly manger the humble Christ was born, and brought us God's salvation that blessed Christmas morn. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
This is a nice simple song. We're only going to be using 3 chords. We have the E chord, we have a B suspended, and then we have an F sharp minor. Now this B and F sharp are alternatives to the traditional way to play B, like the B bar chord and the F sharp minor bar chord. So these are called open chords or power chords. And to play them, I'm just going to be pressing down on, for the B, with my first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then my 3rd and 4th finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the D and G string. And I don't want the E string to resonate, so I'm going to use my 2nd finger here to just lay on top of that A string to mute it, okay? So that it's not resonating while I strum. In case I accidentally hit that E string, it's not really going to matter. For the F sharp minor, it's very similar in shape to the B. All I'm going to do is take these 2 fingers and move them up a string, and then I'm going to take my first finger and move it down 2 strings, and that is the F sharp minor. And I want to, for this chord as well, I want to make sure that E string is not resonating, so I'm going to start my strumming on the A string. I like to play the F sharp minor this way, where my whole hand is basically touching the guitar, and then I can take my thumb and even use that to mute that E string and play it this way. But for the B, when I switch from F sharp minor to B, I like to take my thumb and put it on the back of the guitar like this and play my B this way, because it allows me to pull my hand away from the guitar so that my first finger, the bottom of my first finger, is not muting the high E and B string. A good alternative B for this song is actually B7. This is another way that you could play this song, and B7 is actually even easier to get to than the B suspended. If I'm at my E shape here, all I'm going to do is take my first finger and move it up a string, and take my 3rd finger and move it down a string, and that's my B7. But I want to make sure when I play it, I'm not strumming the low E string. I need to start my strumming on the A string, which is my B note. I'm going to be using the folk pattern for this song, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 3 and 4, okay? So basically, it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. An important distinction with this strum pattern is that the very first beat of each measure, we're going to just pluck the first note of the chord. So if I'm playing my E chord, the first note of that chord is my low E string, okay? So for beat 1, I just want to hit that string by itself. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.